What if I told you there is an animal on Earth that can technically live forever? No, it is not a myth. It is not science fiction. It is real, and scientists have been studying it for years. Deep in the ocean, there exists a tiny creature called the turritopsis dohrnii. At first glance, it looks like any other jellyfish. Small, transparent, almost invisible in the water. But what it can do is something no other animal can. Most living things follow a simple path. They are born, they grow, they age, and eventually they die. But this jellyfish breaks that rule. When it becomes injured, stressed, or reaches the end of its life cycle, it does something incredible. Instead of dying, it reverses its own life process. Its cells transform, and it returns to an earlier stage of its life, almost like going back to being young again. This process is called biological transformation. In simple terms, the jellyfish resets its body. It can go from an adult form back to a juvenile stage and then grow again, and again, and again. This means that under the right conditions, it can escape natural death. Scientists find this ability fascinating because, in a way, this jellyfish does something humans have always imagined. It cheats aging. But there is a catch. Even though it can reset its life cycle, it is not completely invincible. It can still be eaten by predators. It can still be affected by disease or environmental changes. So it is not truly immortal in the absolute sense. But biologically, it comes closer than any other known animal. And this raises a bigger question. If a simple organism can reverse its own aging, could something like this ever be possible in humans? Researchers are studying how its cells work, how they transform, and what makes this process possible. Because if we understand it, it could change the future of medicine, aging, and even human life itself. For now, the immortal jellyfish remains a small, quiet mystery of the ocean, almost invisible, yet incredibly powerful in what it can do. Because sometimes the biggest secrets of life are hidden in the smallest creatures.